Hello and welcome! In this video, we will show you how to add a new chemical and how to edit information for an existing chemical in Croptracker. To add a new chemical to your inventory, click the Growing drop-down menu at the top of your dashboard screen and select Chemicals. You can also access this list under the Farm Manager drop-down menu. From this screen, you can see all of the chemicals already in the Croptracker system. This list will vary depending on your location, as regulations around which chemicals are approved for use can vary by country, province, or state. If the chemical you are using is not available on this list, click the blue Add New Chemical button. Fill in as much of the information as you have available to you. Most of it should be found on the chemical label. You can also upload a PDF of the chemical label to ensure your records are accurate and comply with environmental regulations in your area. If the chemical has restricted use requirements, meaning you need special permission, training, or licensing to work with them, be sure to check the restricted use box. You can select which crop types this chemical will be used for from the list at the bottom of the page. Press the Show/Hide button next to the crop type this chemical will be used for, and enter the pre-harvest interval and re-entry intervals if applicable. The pre-harvest and re-entry intervals will dictate how long to wait after spraying a block before it can be safely harvested or entered. When you create a harvest event, Croptracker will warn you if you attempt to harvest before the pre-harvest and re-entry intervals have passed. Detailed PHI and REI information for your sprays can be found in the PHI-REI report, the block PHI-REI map, and the PHI-REI crop list report. All these reports are listed under the Reports section of your dashboard. If the date has passed, it will appear in blue with a check mark. If it hasn't passed yet, it will appear in red. When you've finished adding your chemical information, scroll back up to the top right side of the screen and hit the blue Add button. The chemical you just added will now be listed on this screen. You can scroll to find it, or search using the search box at the top of the list. You can also edit an existing chemical from this screen. Find the chemical you need to edit in the list by scrolling or using the search bar. Click the blue View button of the chemical you need to edit. From this screen, click the Create My Own Version button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Edit Chemical screen. Change the data as needed and hit the blue Add button. Your chemical information is now updated and you'll be taken back to the chemical screen. This concludes our video on adding to Croptracker's chemical inventory. To learn more about how to apply treatments and sprays, check out the other video and knowledge-based links in the description. And as always, thanks for watching!